Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll unbox this Theodore 3-piece stainless steel knife set, which is of black color. See here, and this we are going to unbox this. And before that, I just did unboxing of this Fitnix stainless steel chopping board because I just want to replace this current plastic chopping board. That's the reason I ordered this and did a unboxing video separately and uploaded here. Find the link in the description for this Fitnix chopping board. Yeah, not only this chopping board, this burner set of 3 pieces cookware, which is this stainless steel cooking kadai with this frying pan lid. Okay, I'll be unboxing this and be keeping the links in the description. For now, we'll take this 3-piece knife sets. Okay, this is the package they did. We'll just keep this aside. Okay, these are the 3 set Theodore stainless steel knife, and I got this for the price of here 178 rupees, this one. Okay, and here these are the details: high carbon SS ultra sharp butcher meat pairing vegetable for kitchen. Okay, there is one knife in the 3 set which is useful for the meat also, meat cutting also, the bigger one, and the others are for vegetable cutting. Let me open this one also. Yeah, the packing came up with the paper so that to avoid anything. Yeah, I'll be just opening this one. This is stainless steel. Okay, and the back black is maybe printing only. This is smooth. Okay, smooth enough, very smooth enough, and this edge is the stainless steel. This all material is stainless steel, but there is printing here. Yeah, along with this, from the same brand, see here, there is knife set with other printing also. If anyone wants that, maybe here, see here. Yeah, there are other 3-piece collections like this one which is also printing. If anyone wants unboxing of these knives, please do ask in the comments so that I'll be purchasing this one and I'll be doing an unboxing video, and I'll be keeping in the description of this video or in the first comment. Yes, first of all, check this size. Okay, maybe in this chopping board you have the centimeters area, so that I'll be keeping it on 0 here. 14 centimeters, then 15, yes, 15 centimeters length here, the cutting. Okay, and this one and this one, 3-piece set for 178 rupees. All are stainless steel, very sharp they're saying. And this black is the printing, and which they mentioned, I read the description here on the Flipkart, that this printing won't go off. Okay, even after the usage, this printing won't go off. Okay, see here, we'll check the other details. The price you need to check in the mobile Flipkart app. Okay, maybe, yeah. And see here, in the other printings also it is available, but I ordered the black one, and this is of handle is of hard plastic material. Okay, hard plastic material, and use it for vegetable, bread, and multi-purpose material. Stainless steel, pack of 3. Okay, fine edge butcher pairing cleaver. Chef's kitchen knife is held for small everyday food preparing needs, for cutting fruits, vegetables, slicing, and etc. Okay, model number K3, set of 3, high carbon SS ultra sharp butcher meat pairing vegetable for kitchen, brand black. Kitchen use: chopping, slicing, vegetable cutting, cleaving meats, single edged ergonomic non-slip plastic, and this one, this handle they are saying. Okay, and what I'll do is, after using this for 2 to 3 months or 1 or 2 months, I'll be posting a review video, and please do comment how many of you are looking for the review video of these knives along with this chopping board also. This chopping board is from Feednix brand. Yeah, I got this for like 245 rupees something. Yeah, you need to check it in the mobile Flipkart app. Anyway, I'll be adding in the view products. Check for the more details. And next we are going to unbox this one, this 3-set Bergner company cookware. This lid is 1, and the kadai 2, and the frying pan 3 items. Okay, check in the description for those details, even for this Hala watch and the one watch which I already put on my hand. Okay, as many users ask the small demonstration of the sharpness of the blades, to just check the sharpness of the blades. Yeah, see here. Anyways, the brand new ones are always sharper. You need to be careful. Okay, yeah. These are the slices. I'm not good at cutting. Anyway, this is for meat, I guess, this bigger one, and I'll check the second one also. Okay, yeah, fine, the blades are fine. Okay, this big one for slicing is pretty good. Even for fine chopping, this would be good. Yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, so that it would be a great help for me. Yeah, fine. I just made a clean wash before using all these 3 knives. Yeah, please do comment your opinions on this. Already, if you are using this sort of knives, which brand are those from? Yeah,